In this video, you'll learn how to create an image overlay in Webflow. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your web design with visually appealing overlays that can improve user engagement. Start by navigating to the Webflow dashboard, open your web browser and go to the Webflow website. Once the page loads, locate the Sites option on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you will manage your projects. Next, click on the blank site option. This will allow you to start a new project. After selecting this option, you will see a prompt to name your site. Enter a descriptive name that reflects the content or purpose of your project. After naming your site, proceed by clicking on the Create Site button. This action will take you to the site editor where you can begin designing your layout. It is important to ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during this process. Once the site editor opens, look for the Add a Layout button. This option is typically located in the left-hand panel. Clicking on it will present you with various layout options to choose from. Select a layout that best suits your design vision. After choosing a layout, you will need to click on the Add Element option. This will bring up a menu of elements that you can add to your layout. Look for the div block element and click on it to add it to your canvas. Next, find the position option in the settings panel. It is essential to set the position of your div block correctly to achieve the overlay effect. Click on position and you will see different positioning options. Now select static from the positioning options. This setting will allow the div block to be positioned relative to its normal position in the flow of the document. After confirming this, proceed to select absolute as the next positioning option. Once you have set the position to absolute, navigate to the background settings of the div block. Here, you will be able to choose a background color for your overlay. Selecting a color that contrasts well with your image will enhance visibility. After selecting the background color, take a moment to preview your overlay. You should see that the div block now acts as an overlay over your chosen image, creating a layered effect. Make sure to save your work frequently to avoid losing any changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.